Hello everyone. In waterways, we have studied about the operational waterways and what are the project taken to develop the waterways. In international waterways, we will be seeing that what are international waterways and its type like raft, what is raft and what is yacht. We will be seeing about it. So let's continue with the topic. The water transport are of two types: inland water transport or it may be ocean water transport. In inland water transport, river, lake, canals, we usually travels. In ocean, coastal shipping occurs or it is overseas shipping occurs. Coastal shipping में आता है passenger, cargo, and for overseas shipping, liners, trams, and tankers are usually used to mainly travel the cargo or passenger or goods we usually transport. There are many types of international waterways. If you are wanting to know what are liners in waterways, liners are actually a passenger ship primarily used as a form of transportation across seas or ocean. Liners may carry cargo or it may mail, and the trams are means they have not a target, like they have a fixed schedule or what. They usually transfer goods from one mode to other. So let's see what are the international waterways. First one is Royal Caribbean cruise. Cruise and liners, we will be seeing the difference between them. First we will be discussing what are Royal Caribbean cruise. These are the largest cruise line by revenue and the second largest by passenger count, and it is found in 1968 in Norway. The headquarters is Miami or Florida. On June 29, 2021, the Royal Caribbean International Ovation of the Sea cruise ship to return to the port of Seattle. These are the largest cruise by revenue. So it is the Royal Caribbean cruise. We usually have many facilities provided in Royal Caribbean cruise. These are the example pic of Royal Caribbean cruise. One more image is shown here, and the next one is the Star Cruises. The Star Cruises are the 8th largest cruise in the world. The first one was the Royal Caribbean cruise, and the headquarter is Hong Kong and or Asia. This is a Star Cruise. And the third one is the Disney Cruise Line. The Disney Cruise Line is the subsidiary of Walt Disney Company, incorporated in 1996 as Magical Cruise Company Limited. This is a Disney Cruise Line. Image is shown over here. And the next is the difference between the ferries and the cruise. What are ferries and what are cruise? Ferries are mainly for small boats and the cruise are for large boat. So if we have to travel with the small ship, people usually prefer ferries, and then the cruise are for large transport, and here only transport the passenger, means cargo are not transported by the cruise. So cruise are example is shown. It is for large transport. Bangkok is actually the innovation taken for the transport facility. Like we have to see here that since evolution occur many a times in the boat facilities, we have seen that cruise and ferries came, and something prominent like Negro's navigation. After international transport, the Bangkok was some innovation taken, and this was recent innovation Bangkok. It is a native watercraft of Philippines, and the double outrigger dugout canoes are used, and it was since 18th century, and the large lug ship is there. So it is an image of Bangkok. And the second one is Jet Sky. Jet Sky is actually a personal watercraft. PWC is personal watercraft. It is self-propelled vehicle for one or more person it may be, and they have a flat keel. The keel surface that is below the boat, it is actually a flat. The stand-up is the PWC, that is personal watercraft. It is properly known as stand-up PWC. So it is an image of PWC stand-up, that is Jet Sky. And what are kayak? These are the recent innovation kayak is small, narrow, propelled by double-bladed paddle. We can see in the image that both the side we have paddle, so to move it in the sea. So it is kayak. And the next one is the raft. Raft is actually a flat structure where no hull is provided and the wood and the sealed barrels are used, not propelled by an engine. This is a raft. Image of a raft is shown over here. And then let's begin with the next recent innovation, that is a water taxi. Water taxi is very much known in international waterways. These are the water taxi. We have a huge capacity too, so that passenger can enter, many passenger can enter inside a bus like given a taxi as it is. Then is Alpha Sanctuary. We can see the Alpha Sanctuary image. The next one is the Valley Yacht. This is a Valley Yacht image. These are recent innovation, sorry. And this is an image of Valley Yacht. The Soul Cat 12 electric motor. This is a very much important part. That concept is the silence. Silence, for there is no noise emission evolve, even there is no CO2. So it is a pollution free. Ecotourism can be seen here, since we have we are not polluting the environment, and it is eco friendly. It is solar operated, so it is solar electric boat. The image can be shown here. This is a electric motor, Soulcat 12. So it is a recent innovation. The Lazareth Moke amphibie. So it is an aluminium vehicle, and the small 400cc Euro 4 engine capable of driving, and the capacity is 90 km per hour we can travel, and the speed is the 7 knots. So we can travel 7 knots by Lazareth Moke amphibie. This is Lazareth vehicle used to travel in the like river or international waterways. So Sea Breacher, the next one is the Sea Breacher. It is semi-submersible two-seater and imitate the dolphin movement. It is dolphin like. We can draw any image over it. We can see the diagram of a Sea Breacher. It is like a dolphin and imitate the dolphin movement. So we can confuse with it with dolphin also. The first real driving car. This is the first real driving car in the sea or ocean, we can see. And the next one is the Nake's personal submarine. Nake's personal submarine is according to Ocean Sea Submarine. The Nake will be manufactured to Royal Netherlands Navy and NASA specification, resulting in high strength hull reinforced by steel rings. This is actually in NASA also. It is used. This is Nake's personal submarine, and the image is shown over here. This is ocean submarine used. And the next one is the Zebra electric wooden boat. This is a Zebra electric wooden boat image, and it is for silent sea ride in oceans. So it was all for today. We have seen what are the international waterways. Many are, all others are also. I have not mentioned many also, but we can see the most important one. We have seen the raft. We have seen the like Zebra electric boat. We have seen the solar electric boat, and also we have seen jet ski raft, and the other one is also we have seen about the kayak. These were long narrow hunting boat propelled by single or double paddler. So this was all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.